Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a moving text on CapCut PC. So select your video and I'm just going to type the word parkour. I don't know why. You can also change the font here. So what I'm going to do, let me just add in a shadow, just like a little bit. I'm going to place it here and like make it move. So you're going to scroll down to position and size and you're going to add a keyframe, and when the person moves you're going to drag the text along here as well, and you're just going to keep doing that. And because he like does that, I'm going to like move it here and I'm going to rotate it along with him as well, like that. And I'm going to do that. And that. And I'm going to move it a little bit to the right. Like that. Just like move the text along with the person. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.